Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our science fair. Our science fair is talking about two methods, the scientific method and the engineering design process. Our group is using the engineering design process. It is based of 8 things. First, to find the problem of our project. Secondly, we thought and had some research about it, and then we thought of the materials, and then with the design step, we created our project, tested it, improved it, and that's where we finished the project.
We are filter engineers. My name is Farah.
My name is Rinad.
My name is Eleen.
My name is Celine.
Sometimes we feel uncomfortable during the hot weather because that we needed an electric fan to cool the air.
So we researched how to feel cooler in the hot weather, and we found out that if we could buy a motor, or we could make a small oil fan spin, helping us feel less uncomfortable during the hot weather.
And the material is fan paddles and the switch and containing wires and the strong base and the cardboard.
Before we starting building the electric fan circuit, we drew a simple design putting the buzzer, the batteries, and the fan. And then we put the switch.
We want to show you our project. Thank you. We are filter engineers.